This elegant swan is looking for a mate, so I'll show you how to make one. I'll begin by folding my paper in half on the diagonal. I'll unfold from here and I'll use the top and bottom edges to fold towards that crease in the middle. Now I have myself a kite base. I'll flip over to the other side and then I'll fold the outside edges in towards the middle. I'm loving the colour of this kami. It's in between blue and lilac and it matches perfectly with the other swan that I've made. From here, I'll flip this over and fold in half. So I've just finished making the tail and all the details that were part of it. When you finish the model, it'll have a beautiful pleated kind of effect. It's really nice. So with the other section, I'll fold this up on an angle to make the neck. Make a nice firm crease, and if you'd like to, you can reinforce this as well, as I will be making an outside reverse fold. Beautiful, that should be pretty easy to make, so I'll unfold that, open this up, allow it to flatten over the outside of the model, and now I'll make the head. I'm just visually working out how I want to fold this, so I'll take the tip and I'll fold this on an angle, make this nice and sharp. I'll bring this up close for you so you can see the little detail. I'll unfold this and then I'll gently pull this down, pinch the head, and it's all finished. Thanks for watching.